Good morning everyone! Today is Diwali. Happy Diwali! So ayan, nandito kami ngayon sa bahay and currently we are cooking our food. Mommy, Happy Diwali!
Happy Diwali.
Oho, kilo sarasari perdido tame. Look guys. Oh, Sonal Masi. Oho, Sonal Masi Bio. She is wearing the sari that I gave for her. Binda.
Binda.
Lo, Tamaru, Happy Diwali. Diwali aje, hen. So, ayan guys, kami lahat nakasuot kami ng mga magagandang damit. And papakainin na natin, ha. Lo, nasto Tamaru. Ache. Hukewai. Tiki papri. Tapra. Chai. Chala. So, ngayon Diwali guys. Prasuba na mommy? Curry bat sak vermi. So ngayon guys, because there is a festival, we'll be cooking good food. So ito yung mawo or yung palaman natin doon sa vermi. Ho che andar mami. Canned tuwer ni dal. So ayan, kanina kele pra bow velu itaje le bow velu pati jesekam. Hene. Akeli warlak se banawa. Dorar do kalak warlak se. So, it will take 1.5 hours, guys, para maluto ito. So, 6:30 pa lang, nakagising na kaming lahat dito. And right over here, ginawa na namin ni Mommy itong mawo. Or yung pang, pang outer part ng vermi. And dito, Mommy tamay badaharo na. So, this is for everyone, Mommy, Papa, Janu. And this is for me, since I don't eat. Ave ajene, apra banawa no sonal masi haru, hene. So, even for Sonal Masi, we'll be cooking food for them. And right over here, meron tayong kanin. And nandito na yung mga hinati-hati kong potato and chili. And magluluto na tayo ng pagkain natin for today, which is binda bataka as ulam. Even Doc Milan is here, Doc. Kelo saras ka pra perdido. Why do we have to wear good clothes and new clothes?
Because you wear good clothes, then you look so pretty. I have to match with you.
Ew. Very handsome look. No, I think this is like Christmas, no?
Yes.
During Christmas. Ayan guys, this is what I'm wearing. Actually, I'm not wearing new one.
Because you still have to cook food.
Because we have to cook food and all. But on the next few days, we'll be wearing good clothes, new ones. Because we have to go to different houses. So let's go and cook some food for today. Milan, what is the meaning of Diwali? Why are we celebrating it?
Diwali is considered last day of this year. And then we have New Year, Indian calendar New Year, the next day. So just like you do in Christmas, wear new clothes, and then lights, cook good food, visit visitors. Same here.
So,
do lights, cook good food, visitors, enjoy.
So
Last
just
day.
so just like in guys, in Philippines, during Christmas we have parties.
Yes.
We are cooking food, we
Yes.
are exchanging gifts. Here in India, they just cook food for the helpers.
We don't exchange gift
No
because-
exchange gift, no giving money. It's just celebration between
Celebration.
family.
But on New Year, you go to
Different
all
houses.
the relatives' house, and older people will give you money.
In New Year, they
Year.
give money. The old
Yes.
people give money. And we'll be visiting them and giving respect. Just like how we do mano. But here we will touch their feet. So, ayan. We'll be cooking food for now. I'll see you later. So, ayan guys. Nagluluto tayo ng lady finger na may kasamang patatas. Kung napapansin nyo, medyo marami yung niluluto natin ngayon kasi bibigyan din natin si Sonal Masi. And halos tapos na yung trabaho namin kasi 6:30 pa lang, nakagising na kami. And ngayon guys, it's 8:35 na. So, ang lulutuin na lang natin na susunod is tong vermi. Pero, mainit-init pa kasi siya. And, pinapalamig lang natin. And then, gagawin na natin yung last dish na isa-serve natin mamayang lunch. And dito, tapos na yung yung curry natin. Tapos na rin yung kanin. Ayan, kanin ito guys. Hindi ko nabubuksan, mainit-init. And tapos na rin yung ating salad. Guys, okay na yung binda natin. Ave ho ba na mami? Vermi. So, yung ginagawa ngayon ni Mommy is vermi. So, tapos na kasi ako ng mga oranges, guys. So, piniga ko yung mga oranges. And while nagpipiga ako, inumpisahan na ni Mommy yung pagluluto nitong vermi. Mommy, vermi ba na? Special keway? Special item siya. Etle, bow moro karwano etle? Bow warlakse. So, ito palang vermi na to guys na ginagawa ngayon ni Mommy. It's considered as a special item and ginagawa siya tuwing merong mga special occasions kagaya na lamang ng Diwali. So, papakita ko sa inyo from the very beginning kung paano niya ba gagawin habang tinatapos niya lutuin ito. So, pagkatapos magawa nung isa, ganyan, lalagay niya dyan. So, kukuha muna siya nung mawo or yung yung dough. And then, gagawa siya ng bilog. So, maliit lang na bilog yung gagawin niya. Pagkatapos, papalaman niya yung natin kanina, pinapalamig natin. And then, ikot-ikot niyang ganyan. And then, isasara niya. So, after nun, lalagyan niya ulit ng flour. And then, that's the time na bibilugin niya ng medyo malaki. Kagaya ng ganun kalaki. Ayan. Dapat hindi mabutas yan guys ha. Kasi kapag nabutas, reject. Ayan. Hindi masyadong malapad, hindi masyadong malaki. Yung katamtaman lang. And then yun, lalagay mo na doon. And lalagyan mo lang siya ng oil every now and then. Kapag i-flip mo. Busy si Mami. Mami?
Joker.
Ah, okay. Joker naman siya ngayon.
मेरा नाम है जानी जोकर केंचुमारी केंचु आज ही आपण जोकर हो एसे काले लावून संगीत भगवान क्या बदलू ए कैलाश सरकार मेरा नाम है लंबी लंबी मूछे वाला समझे जैसे नाक वाला जानी जोकर केंचुमारी चलो ए कैलाश सरकार
मेरा नाम है Elaine Patel है. So ayan guys, we are currently watching the cricket. Ayan. Which is it? Netherlands versus India. Party ba? Happy Diwali. So ayan, busy si Mommy dito. Ako karas namin. Garoda sa Marwano. So, ayan, dito yung mga harvest natin dito sa likod ng bakuran. So, currently, kinakain ni Mommy. Ayan. So, ito daw, aprak hawa nung kale Sak. I don't know if you guys can see us, pero naglalakad kami ngayon. Pupunta kami ng Chore, or center of the village. What is happening in center of the village, Milan?
I don't know, it's called Veraya.
Veraya.
Where you cut coconut shell.
Ah.
That is cotton in coconut shell.
Ah.
And then you fire it.
Oh,
With a
okay.
stick.
Let's go and check it out.
They do fire.
What they're doing? They're doing fire.
Look.
Ah, okay. So they are throwing the stick with cotton. And they're gonna be doing fire in here. Okay,
See?
so ayan.
And then there is a
Wait, everyone is coming. Veraya. Veraya. So it's just small sticks. Oh, okay. So there's it's patakra, Milan?
No, patakra.
That one is with patakra. That
Yes,
one is
it's
with
just to light up the village,
Ah, okay. So, meron siyang stick. And then, what is that, Milan? Cotton. Okay. Though they're burning the cotton, so it will be lighting up like this. So, merong malaking version doon and merong maliit na version dito. Dito sa bahay natin, guys, naglalagay na si Mami ng diwa. Lights. And dito sa buong street natin, guys. Oh. Actually, yung iba hindi pa naglagay kasi yung iba wala sila. Pumunta sila sa iba't ibang mga lugar kagaya na lamang ng bahay na to. So dito, punong-puno na ng lights. So, ngayon guys, nandito kami sa isang restaurant. Yung restaurant ni Het Kumar and ni Janu. So dito kami para kumain ng dinner namin. So kasama ko ngayon yung mga kaibigan ko. So papakita ko yung setup nila dito. So meron silang ginawa na parang kakaiba para maka-attract ng mga customers. So napakaganda. So, meron silang swing dito. Tapos dito, meron silang kainan na mga snacks. And right over there is yung Royals Cafe and Restaurant. And dito yun naman yung hotel nila. Turns out na unlimited pala yung pagkain dito. So, they are giving us pass. And then we have to pay for the pass. So, ayan. So, ito yung pagkain. Dito ka kakain and you just have to choose where you can sit. So, ganun pala yung kalakaran dito. So, let's see what are the food that they have in here. And it's self-service. So, ayan, you just have to take the plate in here. And then, pwede kang kumain dito and mamili kung ano ba yung mga gusto mong kainin. So, they have different atanos. There's green chili right over here. And, let's see. Ahuche. What is this? Chas che. Water che. So, this is water.
Welcome drink.
Welcome drink. So, ito yung mga pagkain nila dito, guys. Let's see what do they have. So, this is what? Ahuche? Pasta? So, it's some sort of pasta. Right? And this one is soup. Soup che? Ah, okay. Laki luche ya. Barabar siya. So, this is soup, guys. Ayan, dito yung mga bata. Meron silang playground right over here. So, pwede kang maglaro dito. Di me, ha? Majay! Bo, Majay! So, ayan, guys. Meron silang playground right over here. Hi! Hi, Karo!
This is high.
This is fun! Say, this is fun! This is fun!
This is fun.
And right over there, meron silang seesaw. Ito yung swing nila. And meron silang slide dito. So, hindi pa daw ready yung pagkain. So, we'll be taking video later once it's complete.
Tuway niya ini.
दूध के लिए सूप के लिए ये है दोनों कौन नोट दोनों
चमची नहीं. हाथ पकड़ा लगा.
नहीं नहीं स्पून लेता हूँ स्पून लेकर
हाथ को दिखाश mo dito.
फोक लेकर
So, meron silang corn dito and merong noodles. So, they'll be putting noodles. Thank you. Ala, tame ba da sukaso?
Soup.
Soup. Natare soup. Pachi? Wo karas. Uka isto eh.
Sale.
Sew. Kali sew. Soup. Hukeway. Hikulaksen eh. Tle. Hake.
So, after nga naming uminom ng soup, pumunta na nga kami dito sa gilid kasi sabi nila, ready na nga daw yung panipuri. So, kailangan mo nga lang pumila dito and manghingi sa kanila ng panipuri. And sinaserve nga nila dito isa-isa.
First, they will fill it up. So, fill up nila yung panipuri and ready na rin yung mga water kung saan idilip na yung puri. Sa area naman na to, guys, meron silang chat. Chat puri, ne? Chat puri. So, this is called chat puri. Hukche. Chutney. Sweet chutney. This is green chutney. Dai. This is onion. Tomato. Bundi. Bundi. So, they're gonna be mixing everything. So, lalagay nila lahat yung mga ingredients na yan. And if you want, ayan. Let's see. Puri keway? Puri. So, the one inside is puri. So, lalagyan nila ng sweet chutney, green chutney. This dai. Onion. And tomato. And coriander leaves. And this is sel. Done. Kuha tayo nitong and then let's go and get it. So right over here, guys, meron silang dosa, I think. Batao? Uchender. Huche, Namhoon. This one? Dosa? Okay. So this is dosa, right? Anam sucha?
Sambar.
Sambar.
It's called a sambar.
Sambar. And this one is chutney, right? These are chutneys.
Coconut chutney.
And this one is spicy
Garlic,
chutney.
garlic.
Chutney. Coconut chutney and garlic chutney.
समोसा जेव देखाय
This is Chinese noodles, no?
हां
With Manchurian inside. So, kuha tayo ng Chinese noodles with Manchurian.
नको ताना
Try me, I will get it. Oho. Uma, kiluvali, che. Jo, maru na rin. I'll get some, Manchurian ng pasta dito. Let's go and try it. Todo cash mo kido. Yes. Thank you. Kumuha na tayo ng tali. Ng dito guys, tali or plato. Tari. So, meron sila ditong khichdi. Khichdi. Khichdi and curry.
That flies
Right over
name is
there.
that flies here is true.
This is curry. And right over here, meron silang dal fry. Palapid Todo kaj. Boss. Todo kaj kala. Boss. Che? Dal bat. So this is dal. And right over here is plain rice, che. Plain rice. So this is plain rice. So you have option if you want Gujarati dal rice or this jeera rice dal fry. So we took jeera rice dal fry.
So, after mo nga kumain guys, meron silang dessert dito which is ice cream. Hindi ko na masyadong na-videohan yung ibang mga pagkain nila dito kasi medyo busog na ako doon sa Manchurian noodles na kinain ko.
So dito guys, tapos na kaming kumain. So ngayon, bumibili na sila ng mga fireworks. So ayan o. Ang dami. Ang dami nila mga tinitindang mga kaputok. Guys, ito yung ginawa nilang rangoli. Ako na ba naidido? Kushi? Kushi? Tuwe pa naido? Mas siya, ha? So, ayan guys, nagpapaputok na yung mga bata dito. Ciao, Jason. Oh, look at. they're cleaning their own dirt. So kapag nagawatok sila, lilinisin at lilinisin nila yung mga side nila. Ganyan guys, in an instant, malinis na. So, natapos na nila yung paglilinis after nilang magpaputok. So, ganito dito sa India. They're cleaning their own trashes.